Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get Pocket Pixel codes, guys. Actually really easy and simple. First things first, guys. I'm going to show you how to get this so it never expires, okay? So just come and search on Google, Pocket Pixel gift codes. And now you're going to see a bunch of different websites. What you want to do is look for the ones that are most recent. Okay, this one is 15th October. I'm just going to open this up here. Okay, and then I'm going to open this one. Look at this. 2 hours ago, they had new redeem codes updated. This one is also updated October 2024, but this one just 2 hours ago. So we're gonna check these out, guys. This way, guys, you never run out of codes and they'll never be expired because they literally update it. Once it expires, they update it here. So the recent working codes in this website here, you can redeem this. This is a new one. You can use this Pocket Pixel. You get 3 gems, 10 Gashapon tokens, and a VIP 666, guys. You can get the Gashapon token and a rare candy. You can use VIP 888. 2 FP tokens and a 10,000 gold, guys. And then for currently, there's no expired pixel code, Pocket Pixel codes. So just redeem them as soon as you can so they don't get expired, guys. I'm going to show you here as well. Look at these, guys. They have way more codes. Okay, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 codes, guys. 11 codes. Just enter this and try them out, guys. So how do you actually redeem? You do this. Just open up the game and then just tap on your profile icon right here. Okay, then a new window will pop up. Okay, and in the new window, just click on this here options button, and then just tap on redeem code. So you come here, enter the code that's provided, and click on confirm, and you will be rewarded instantly in the game. Literally, that easy and simple, guys. Just click confirm after you put in the code. You will be rewarded immediately. That easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, make sure you hit that like button, guys, and of course, guys, make sure